How to send email using Outlook 2019. Go and click the icon of Outlook to open it. You can click the new email icon to open the message pane or go to Home tab and click the new email icon. You can click From the menu button to open the drop-down list and select the email ID you wish to use to send your message. Enter the recipient into input box. You can add recipients in carbon copy or CC. You can also add blind carbon copy or BCC. To add BCC, go to Options and click the BCC icon. Now you can enter a recipient's address here. Write subject in the subject input box and message in the body of the message pane. To customize your text, go to Format Text. You can use these word processing options and customize your text message. Now click the Send button. Now you know how to send email using Outlook 2019. Thank you for watching.